Hey Chase Your Escapers, we're here this weekend at Jackson Lake State Park. We're going to show you our top 5 tech gadgets that make our camping life just a little smoother, which works great when you're here just on the weekend. These are in no particular order because Corey and I can't agree on which one is our favorite, so stick around. We're here at Jackson Lake today, and we're going to show you our top 5 high-tech, or maybe low-tech, gadgets that we use that make our camping trips relaxing.
One of our favorite safety tech items is tire pressure monitoring system. We use the TireMinder. It was highly recommended, so we went with that. Excuse us if we're swatting bugs. There's mayflies, Jackson Lake State Park, and we're swatting everywhere. Everybody should have a tire pressure monitor system. It lets you know what's going on behind you. It's critical, and you have a single axle trailer and you might have a blowout. This will allow you to know that, not before it happens, but right when it happens, it's gonna holler at you. There's one of these coin type batteries that gets installed here in this sensor. This sensor translates up to the repeater. The repeater goes to the truck and lets you know what the heck's going on. You can preset these things for what tire pressure you really want to worry about, and if it gets below that, it'll scream and holler at you, and then you get to pull off the side of the road and check out what's going on. But ask us how we know. It's awesome. We love having this. Everybody should have this. Please, please, please consider buying one of these and installing them yourself.
Okay guys, for the next tech gadget, we're gonna go inside the trailer because this one we've used for a while, at least 2 years, because we had problems with our refrigerator. So let's head inside and I'll show you what that new tech gadget is. So this next tech gadget is one that you can put anywhere in the RV. It can be in the main area of the RV, garage, basement, or you know, just in this general area. I've even seen people put them by their black tanks. I don't know why, but you can put these sensors anywhere. Let's see. It likes to hide because I don't have it attached. Ah, there it is. This little gadget is called the Ruuvi. It's R-U-U-V-I. I love it. This is why we can't agree on what's our favorite. Corey likes his for his reasons. I like mine for my reasons. This little disc sits in our refrigerator and tells us what the temperature is. It works on an app. It can tell you, what else? Humidity, elevation. It can tell you all kinds of things. So it's a neat little gadget. It's really small. It's battery operated, so you can just pop out the old battery, put in the new battery. So the range for this, we can check it in the truck. So if the trailer is hitched and we're in the truck, which is why we originally bought it. We bought it because the propane fridge that we had would go out all the time. We've talked about this. So then I would see that rise in temperature, and then we'd have to pull off the side of the road and restart the refrigerator. It's just a really cool little gadget.
For our next tech favorite is the Mopeka Propane Tank Sensor. I think actually it can do other tanks, but the most widely used for propane. There is an app on your phone. We'll show you. We have 2 propane tanks, 1 sensor for each, and we used a bunch of propane last night, so we're going to swap them out actually. But we thought it would be a good opportunity to show you that this sensor right here magnetically attaches to the bottom. It's a really strong magnet. It rolls down the road, no problem. I've never lost one. And it shows you of the sensor position you have to pay attention to. So just to try to get it in the right spot, it's way off at the moment. But I haven't found that to be too critical to the measurement, but this is hands down one of my favorite tech gadgets. It saves us time. We know when to swap out the propane, so we don't have to do it in the middle of the night when we're freezing our butts off. So it's so nice. We've done that a few times, and this investment was well worth it. One addition we did this off season was to add 2 lead time battery company that were well recommended by Will Prowse. If you ever get a chance to see his YouTube channel, go check him out. If you have other batteries that you really love, put them in our comments. We'd really love to know what you use and what you have found very useful, and maybe it can help some other people who are also looking for lithium batteries. We had lead acid batteries before, and the problem with lead acid batteries, we really couldn't tell how much battery life we had. We were like, so the little button on our screen where all the tanks, the water tanks and everything, it just said full, kind of 2/3. We really never knew. And with the addition of the 12-volt fridge that we've talked about, we were really concerned about energy usage in our trailer. So we added, like I said, 2 lifetime batteries. And with that lifetime batteries comes an app on your phone. You can monitor each battery individually, and actually you can see how much you're using, how much is being charged, what the status is. Is it just hanging out? Is it actually doing something? Is it charging? Is it discharging? And you can also see how it interacts with your solar charge controller. This is our solar charge controller. We have 190 watts on the roof, 1 panel only, and this is just a 10 amp PWM solar charge controller, and we're getting about 8.5 amps right now, and it's a super sunny day. So we've talked about adding more, but solar panels, but we know this isn't our forever camper, so we're going to go with the option to add a big battery bank and use that up and then let it sit over the week and charge back up. So that's the method we have. If you have other methods, we'd love to hear about what your approach is to being a little bit more off-grid, free of the electric connection.
Sorry, coming in hot. So next on our list, and that is the LevelMate Pro that you attach to your camper wherever. We put it on the driver's side so that you can be driving along and you get to your campsite and you pull up and you hop out of your car, you turn it on, and then you can level. It can tell you right to left and up and down, east, west, north, south. That might be east, west, north, south. So we have mounted our LevelMate Pro inside this cabinet up against this wall. 2 beats mean good. Okay, so we mount it there so that it's pretty easy to get to when you're driving, or not when you're driving, don't do it when you're driving. Pretty easy to get to when you stop, so the driver can hop out and turn it on. This has come in tremendously helpful. Pretty much any unlevel site, you can move back and front, you can shimmy it left, you can shimmy it right, and you can find the most level spot. So for instance, when we first pulled into this site, we were off 3 inches. And by maneuvering, Corey was able to just end up on 1 yellow block. There's some sites where you just have to use the Anderson, which is really cool to do if you're using the LevelMate Pro too. So, okay guys, so what was your favorite?
LevelMate Pro by a mile.
LevelMate Pro
well,
by a mile.
I don't know, the batteries are pretty good. But no,
so
LevelMate Pro saves us so much time.
Yeah.
Because when we pull into a campsite, we can go back and forth and try to find the levelest spot. Right. I'm not pulling out a level, like a manual level, and going, hey honey, is it level? Are we there yet? You know, like, no, it saves so much time. Yeah. It's well worth absolutely every penny if you're a serious camper.
Okay.
What's your favorite?
Oh, I think I'm honestly torn between the battery and the Ruuvi. Oh. Because the battery tells us how much power we have. And while I give him a hard time about you checking battery, I think it gives us an opportunity to stay out longer in places because we know how much battery we have. We're not guessing. So that one or the Ruuvi, because I kind of like to know that my food is safe, but that's just me.
I think we had to know what the temperature was. We were shocked. Yeah. Every time we opened the door, it would take like 4 hours to recover the temperature. We did not know this before we had the Ruuvi, and it was actually kind of like blissful ignorance, I think. So,
blissful ignorance.
But the 12 volt fridge, man, it's fast. We love that thing.
It is. So is that one your favorite now?
No, LevelMate Pro is by far my favorite.
Okay, 100%. So you have to comment what is your favorite tech, because it may not be even in our list. So if you have a favorite tech, let us know.
Oh yeah, I'd love to go find some more tech. It'd be awesome.
Really? I don't know. So let us know what you guys think, and don't forget to hit subscribe and like.
Yeah, if you found this helpful at all, give us a subscribe, follow along with us, and have fun with us.
Yeah. Until then, we are Corey and Amy from
Chase Your Escape.
Chase Your Escape.